Good morning. It's calendar time, and I know happy Thursday or happy Friday Eve. I know we are accustomed or we're used to this past Monday we will get on here live, but because my schedule is kind of really hectic today and I have a couple of IEP meetings, I wanted to do a recording with you all. So we're going to get right into it. So I told you all that the month is January. Remember, January is the first month of the year. January starts us off. December ends us. After December, that's when we start a whole new year. So yesterday was the 6th. So after 6th, today is the 7th. Remember, last year was 2020. This year, we are 2021. So, the number 7, this number right here. Remember I told you how to tell if a number is odd or even? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I have 2 people here. So with the number 6, it was an even number. But today is 7. So now I have an extra one. Well, guess what? That's an odd number. Because this person has 3. Aiden, you have 3. Charles, you have 3. But that means if I took this extra 1 here, that means somebody will have more than the other. So that means that it's an odd number. We cannot divide into it equally. It's odd. And so, the weather outside. Now this morning, it was sunny. It was sunny. It's sunny outside. It is actually sunny outside. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's windy. Today is actually a nice day. My kind of weather. The season, I told you all, it is winter now. We're in winter. You can tell we have a lot of cool days more often than usual. And the temperature outside, actually the temperature outside to some will probably be cold. It was cool. It feels good to me. It's not hot. I'm going to tell the truth. It is not hot out there. So I'm going to go with cool. And then for some of you all, it may be cold for you. So when you're circling, and these are the kind of things that you want to notice every day in life. You know, when you go outside, because that allows you to see, helps you determine what type of clothes are you going to wear for the day. What clothes are you going to wear? So naturally, this morning I actually had on a jacket, a shirt. I have on my Bethune shirt, if you can see. I have on my Bethune shirt and pants. And some will probably wear a sweater. So a shirt, jacket, sweater, and pants. And then yesterday was Wednesday, hump day. Remember? Ms. B told us it was hump day. And then today is what? So if yesterday was Wednesday, today is what? Thursday. And what will tomorrow be? Tomorrow is the last day of the week, our last day of school for that week. But then we'll be transitioning back into the building for those of us who parents can drop us off and pick us up, or who have the desire to come into school. You know, if your parent allows you to do it, we completely understand. So kindergarten, you've been in school for 86 days. So actually we can do an 8, almost like a snowman, an 8. 2 round circles, and a 6 you come down, then you come around. And we want to try to write as neat as possible. 86 days. So for the rest of us, because we was in school a week ahead of you all, we've been in school 91. So we put a circle, and then we just come to the edge and put a line on down. And then a 1. We from the top to the bottom. So the piggy bank, remember, we have 13 children. Top to the bottom with our 1. And then with our 3, it's almost like 2 backward C's that we're going to put together. Like 2 backward C's, 13. You will trace your eye. So when you come back to school on Monday, this is what you're going to be doing. You're going to physically be doing your calendar. For my older kids, you'll be writing in your notebook. But I want to make you aware, because you need to know what day you're in. What is the date? What year are you in? You need to know how many boxes would you color. Today is a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We don't have to use our base 10 yet because we haven't gotten into the teens. We're still in the single number digits. So this concludes our calendar. I'm sorry, but unfortunately, Ms. B has set up some times with some of you all. We're going to have, I'm going to do another video with another teaching where you'll be able to, the students will be able to look at the recording. Like I said, my schedule is really hectic today, and I apologize for that. So I'll see you guys later. Enjoy your Thursday. It's beautiful outside. It really is. It's really cool and crisp out there. Stay warm.